po, Ma'am Queenie. So, this is our report about Tibuli tribe.
So the Tibuli, also called Tagabili, literally means people living in hills. The term Tibuli is a combination of Tau, meaning people, and Bilil, meaning or hill or slope. So i-combine mo ni silang dua, Tau and Bilil means people living in the hills in southern Mindanao. They are known among lowlanders as Tagabili, derived from Tau Bilil. They are an animist ethnic group inhabiting highland areas like mga bundok in southwestern Mindanao, especially around Lake Cebu. So, ang Lake Cebu, mo din na siyang pinaka biggest lake in the South Cotabato. And they are well known for their tie-dyed abaca cloth, tinala, and metal industry including loss, wax, brass casting. So kanin sila ilado po dahil sila sa paggamag abaca cloth or tinalak o kuan kanang metal industry like loss, wax, brass casting. So location. So the Tibuli tribe primarily lives in the highlands of South Cotabato, particularly around Lake Cebu. Kung makita po ni sila sa Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, and General Santos City. So clothing. So kagal, tibuli. Mo ni siya ang traditional women's dress. Kegal, bentilas. Women's cotton blouse with white sequins. Kegal Bensuit, the most expensive type of tibuli blouse. So, more expensive ni siya kay kani siya gigama ni siya sa handmade ra. Tinalak sacred cloth made by women weavers guided by the dreams from the goddess Fu Dalo. So kani si goddess Fu Dalo mo ni siya ang goddess of Abaka. Siwat, women's headdress worn in ceremonies symbolize beauty and identity. So kani siwat mo ni siya nagsilbing headband para dili ra paanang nga nagsymbolize sa beauty and identity. Lewek, tediyong, or women's skirt, tube or wraparound skirt made from hand-woven tinala. Hilit, hilit, tao, heavy bronze brass belt that protects from evil spirits. So kani siya murag kato ni siya ibutang diri sa hawak. Bikiliw, women's necklace symbolizing nature and spirituality. Hilet, limemet, beaded belt triangle for royalty. So, ang hilit limemet mo na siya ikon puno ka ng bakos po na ginama sa mga beads. Religion. Christianity introduced by missionaries in the mid-20th century. Islam, adopted by some due to Muslim traders and settlers. So, animism. Some still follow their ancient beliefs in nature spirit. So, kaning animism, mo ni ilang pagtuo. Kung kaning Christianity and Islam is adopted rin sila. Language. Tibuli language is a part of Austronesian family. Basic greetings. Yulapus or good morning. Yukimel, good afternoon. Yukifu, good evening. Livelihood. So these are the livelihoods of Tibuli. Hunting, fishing, weaving, and farming. Culture and traditions. So courtship. So courtship is mo na siya pagpanguyab. So courtship is traditionally arranged by parents to strengthen family alliance. So ang courtship is ang kuana kadalasan as ato ng parents ang mag-arrange sa pagpanguyab, no? Para lig-on ang relasyon sa duha ka pamilya. However, personal courtship through mass song and helping the woman's family also occurs. So usahay ang laki pakita po niya ang pagigugma sa bayi pinaagi sa mass songs and pagtabang sa pamilya sa bayi. The bride price or called kefin, often involving livestock, gongs, or woven textiles. So bride price is mo ni siya katong ang lalaki mag-provide sa bayi. Marriage rituals involve blessings from elders and shamans, offering to spirits, traditional dance, and feasting. So, the bride wears a tinalak dress symbolizing cultural and spiritual values. So, ang bride sa tibuli is magsuot og tinalak dress. Kung sa ato pa ni magsuot og white nga dress. So, polygamy is a traditional accepted especially among leaders like chieftains. So, ang chieftains mo ni siya ang katong leader sa tribe or clan. So, after marriage, the couple lives with the husband's family or starts a new home. So, kapag human sa kasal, ang duha ka couple is magpuyo sila sa balay sa lalaki or katong groom or mag-start sila bagong balay nga wala ang family nila. So burial, body is preserved in carved logs for up to 3 years. Babies are wrapped and hung on tree branches. So once nga ang tao mamatay, butang na siya sa carved log like lungon gyapon na siya. Kung ibitay na siya sa tree branches nga gi-preserve na siya up to 3 years or more. Animism, nature spirit must be appeased. They place wooden statues of gods in homes or fields, offer food and liquor to spirits for blessings. Tinalaks nor dream guided cloth woven by women, so highly respected as a spirit and cultural art form. So kaning tinalak nor dream mo na siya gitawag nga kuan dream weavers. Mo gitawag na siya dream weavers is makagama na sila tinalak design pinaagi sa ilang damgo. O iladay na siyang tahion nga bisag wala nila gitrace. Festival. So, Limlunay Festival held every third week of September in Lake Cebu. So, Limlunay is maheld rana siya every third week of September sa Lake Cebu. Hilubong Festival. So, Hilubong means never ending joy. It's a vibrant cultural celebration held in Lake Cebu, South Cotabato, showcasing the Tibuli people's rich traditions in music, dance, and weaving.
Silang Festival is a yearly March celebration Tibuli South Cotabato, showcasing indigenous So, Sislong Festival, taga-kwan sila, taga-March sila sila mag-celebrate and sa Tibuli South Cotabato. So, Sislong, meaning is agabiring. So, pag-iusa or barter exchange among tribes. So, paana ka na exchange siya mga mga things or sa pa. And dances. Matang tao dance meeting elder sister of political hero Lord Bulol. So kayo dance meeting madal tao so bali murag ang ilang mga kamaguangan ilang gikuan gi awat nila dance meeting elder sister and madal bitunok healing dance perform around abot so kani kuan nag-perform sila dance palibot sa kuan sa bot. And sa Madal Iwas, monkey inspired healing dance. And Madal Bi Kumbing dance with kumbing instrument. So naga-dance, nagasayaw sila kuan with kumbing instrument. Murang sad kuan kanang uplift ba? Yung mga something. So Madal Bi Studoy, a dance by the Ubo people. Subgroups of the Tibuli that feature music from the Sludoy. So, kaning kon, Madal Bi Sludoy, muni kon, dance sa mga Ubo people. And Madal Tahaw, Madal Tahaw, imitates the movement of the Tahaw bird to celebrate a good harvest and pray for people planting season. So sa Madal Tahaw and Kadal Tahaw, so ilang sinayawan murag like kanang bird nga ilang i-celebrate ang ang good harvest or mag-pray sila sa sa mga nindot nga panahon para sa pananom. And Madal Siwol depicts a boy forcing a girl who used an uncovered layab or turban to playful him. So taunt him. So kanang like sa tuwa danihon ana ikuan ipursige nga ang girl na ilang mauyab gamit ang ang turban kaya turban. So Madal Sayo is a Tibuli war dance expressing warrior bravery that uniquely symbolize peace and unity by showing strength without the warriors even placing their weapons on the ground. Without the warriors ever placing their weapons on the ground. So kuan without kuan ka nang nagsymbolize sila nga sa unit sa peace and unity. Magsayo sila dili ibutang like ang sundang sa or isa pa nga kuan ibutang sa loob on the ground. So muna siya ang Tibuli War Dance. Madalbit tako which done with mother first evil using kumbang. Madalbit ako which done. So mga kuan mga tawag ni which done. Mga stopang kanang mananambal mga dirisaman. Nagkakuan sila nagkasayo sila para kuan para ipalayo ang mga evil gamit ang kuan kumbang. So Madalbit Mata is a flirtation dance performed by women to express romantic. So kani Madalbit Mata kuan nagadan sila para express ang kuan romantic nga dance. Interest and love towards a man. So kuan kanang nagasayo sila para magka-interest o kuan mahigugma sa lakla. So musical instruments natay kuan there are pilonggong, barshik, drum with two heads. So kani pwede ni mabaliktad duha ka buok ang kuan duha ka buok ang drum. Two heads. Then accompany dance and higulong traditional blues with joke from Tibuli people in the Philippines. So kani mura nito sa papag guitar. Pero duha ra ka buok ang string. Kulintang is a Tibuli musical instrument featuring a set of 8 brass kitagos and 2 string flute called higulong, underskin drum known as tilunggong, a bambujo, harp called pumbing, and wooden stake called isa. So sa kulintang when there are it ka brass kitagos then napuming kuan higulong, 2 string, ayun napoy drum ulit tinubong there's skin drum yung bambujo. So pumbing kambing at Philippine. So harp made of bamboo hole. Kambing is the like kambing sa kambing sa Bisaya burgot. And then so pumbing kambing muna ang katungkan dili ngunit pagamiton murag sila. There is a string instrument where the strings can the length of the body. Okay. So mura po din sa kuan violin. Kani ang kuan so yung string ano po isa kataas sa yung body nga kawayan mura po ang kataas sa string. And that and that is moving right of the feet and kadala someone the sun God and the supreme God husband of Bulon Labubuaw and Bulon Labubuaw the moon goddess and supreme goddess wife of Padaw na sa Matso mag-asawa din sila. And foods there are rice, miso, the primary staple crops grown through Sweden / farming and fish or corn, fish from lakes and rivers. The secure rows of protein other caught using nets and other traps. So then root crops common, root crops include sweet potatoes, kamote, saba, sa tuwa ni kuan man kamuting kahoy sa tuwa. And then kani taro, murag gabi ni sa tawo, kata, and liwag, refers to pressurized sugar cane, when made the Tibuli people. So kani gipaagi sa tubo sa tawa katong focus ka nga murag mga langkat lagi siguro imong ipon sa money luwag. And drive system of governance society is led by a dato. So ilang pan society nila pan naglead ang mag-lead kay sa dato. Dato all social, economic, religious, political power. It's dato values is frame influence of himself proclaimed and supported by followers. So like sa top president and divisional. So two. There are two. Uh, Name is Rebecca G. Likayan, San Elementary School Principal and Tibulisa, Cotabato. So, principal nila sa South Cotabato. And magna cum laude graduate in education from Norte Dame of Marble University in 1994. She is also the mother of Brent Lloyd Likayan. Ako din Panday Liwat. So, Brent Lloyd Likayan, muna ang anak ni Rebecca G. Likayan. Isa Tibuli youth from South Cotabato who graduated magna cum laude with a degree in English Language Studies from Mindanao State University in Jinsan. So,